Hello, my BL lovers. This is the English explanation and summary for the episode 4 of the series 8 Sense. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Although Jeon was ignoring Jiun, but now they are together. They were sitting by the Han River. Jeon thanked him for the drawings he gave for the club. He saw other drawings made by him and praised him for being a good artist. Jeon asked him to draw and also taught him how to draw as he has taught him how to surf. They are so comfortable with each other. There was something which was unspoken, but it was interrupted as the cab was waiting for Jeon to leave. Junpyo was asleep when he returned. Next morning, Junpyo asked him where did he go and when did he return last night, as according to him, Jiun was with Eri. Just then Eri joins them. Junpyo asks her about the night, but instead of telling the truth, she said that she and Jiun had a great time last night. Jiun apologized as he thought that Eri must be mad at him, but Eri was so cool with it as she guessed that he was with Jeon, as she felt a connection between them at the surfing trip. She told that she just wanted to be friends with him and now they are good friends. As announced by the professor, a group project was to be done and Jongmin, as a team leader, intentionally paired Jeon with Yoonji. Jeon was upset with Jongmin as he knew that he intentionally did it. Jeon was not at all happy to be in the project with Yoonji but saw Jiyoon nearby. Just a sight of him made him smile again. He leaves Yoonji to go meet Jeona, and Yoonji saw it. Jeona was happy at work and his boss notices it and says that he looks like a man in love happily working. Jeon is at his psychiatric session. He says that he has a dream but is afraid of putting himself in something new as he knows that his father wants him to inherit his business. The counselor says that he is still young and take chances for his dream. He says that he is tired of the mask of being a nice person, but she tells him that he doesn't need to be loved by everyone. He visits the place where Jeona works and was quite rude to him. She made him work again and again. Even the boss noticed it and was quite furious about it. Yoonji started a conversation about Jeon, saying that he asked her to do the project together and has also joined the surf club for her. She intentionally wanted Jeon to listen to all this. While leaving, she broke a glass and didn't even apologize to Jeon for it. The boss saw all this and when she asked her to apologize to Jeon, who's cleaning her mess, she was rather rude and mannerless. Jeon tried to calm the situation, but Yoonji's ill-manneredness was on its heights. Jeona has a lot of patience, but the boss asked him to leave early and get some rest. On his way back, Jeon meets him. Jeon was worried as Jeona looked upset, but Jeon said that although it was a hard day for him, but he is feeling better to have Jeon by his side. They went on the rooftop to drink. Jeon asked if Jeon has gone to Namsan Tower. He says that he wants to go there and put a lock there with someone he likes. The timing was perfect for them, but just then Junpyo interrupts them. So guys, if you liked the video, please watch for the next episode, that is episode 5. Thank you.